for today's vlog. So I will be sharing with you my hand carry bags for my long travel. So as you know, I will be traveling from Iloilo to Manila, then Manila to Dubai, then Dubai to Munich, Germany for my Europe trip. So for now, so here is my hand carry bag. So I have this sling bag for the important documents and for my money. And I have this hand carry bag. So it's a big one. Kaya siya, guys. So this is my hand carry bag from H&M. I bought this from H&M. So let's start for my sling bag. So for my sling bag, so what's inside my sling bag, guys? So what's important is my passport. So I have my old and my new passport. So this is of course the most important one because we cannot travel without our passport. So next I have cards. So I have my cards, credit cards and debit cards. And also actually, guys, this is also my money. So this is my cash. Hindi ako nagdala na ng additional wallet because my wallet is a big one. So hindi siya kasya. So dito ko lang siya ilalagay. And then mostly for this travel, I will be using my cards and less hassle. But sa airport, magpapalit din ako ng euro just for the small expenses. Next, of course, the titas in me. So like this is the most also the essential ones for the travel. So we have this Vicks, of course, if you're not feeling well. And then, of course, the efficacent oil. So, you know, because it's a long travel, so hindi natin alam, baka sumakit yung ulo natin. So, at least we have, of course, we have the gums or the mint, Tic-Tac spearmint candy. So this is the Tic-Tac, and also I have the breath strips from Watson. And then of course I have a spare cell phone. So my other one is like ginagamit for videos. So, and of course, I have my ball pen. So, that's it for my sling bag. So, for my hand carry, so mabigat siya. So, I have the extra jacket for later. This is because I know it's cold. So, I bring this one. Also, I have this, what do you call this? Shawl or whatever. So, I have this, a shawl that also you can use it as a blanket if you're also feeling cold. So, that's it. Of course, I have a mask. So, this is just 10 pieces na mask for though hindi naman required, as nabasa ko hindi na required for like Europe, hindi na yung iba nagmamask, but at least for extra protection, I will use it. Then, I have the book. So, this is the Trade Like a Stock Market Wizard by Mark Minervini. So, as next year, 2023, so I will be focusing more on stock trading. So, I need to finish reading this. Small notebook. So, this is where I write all my flight schedule. And then, for important notes then. though I have notes in my cell phone, but I like to also write it in the notebook. And of course, I have here, so actually this is actually important also guys. So dito nakalahat na kalagay yung documents na sinubmit ko during my visa application, and then my return ticket, and basta lahat ng mga documents na sinubmit ko. Also, I have this. So I have this extra clothes na I will change when I mga toiletries. So I have this comb, ano pa ba, sunglasses, so sunglasses. So this is from Sunny. So of course, moisturizer, powders, ball pens, extra ball pens and highlighter. So pang kilay and pang, what's this, mga pang this is foundation from Eliana guys. This is nice. And lipsticks. So I have 2 lipsticks. So that's my of course, we need to be beautiful for the immigration. But syempre, we need to look beautiful for the immigration interview. So that's it. So actually here I have my MacBook actually. So I have also my MacBook. So because we will work and travel. And I have the this is the like power banks electronics. So this one. So I have the power bank. So this is 20 mAh for extra since we'll have a long travel. So this is the external drive. So because as expected, we will have a lot of videos and pictures for this trip. And this universal charger. So this is, I think, more than 5 years na sa akin because I'm using this way back pa during my travel. So because guys, we don't know what's the outlet or the electric outlet for when we're traveling. So this is one. So this is Omni. So anything. So you can use this one. Okay naman siya na brand. Chargers. And of course, yung mga pang pang clean ng laptop and cell phones. So I have this one. Ang dami, ang bigat actually guys, no? Carry ko, but it's a long trip, so we need to be prepared. Of the chocolates and the biscuits, ayaw magutom. So like, to be prepared lang guys, so at least if walang mga extra na magugutom ka, at least may makakain. Of course, I have this, the tissue. So tissue, and then with tissue for this. Also, I have here charger for my MacBook, and then AirPods. Also, alcohol. So we need to have an alcohol and toothbrush. And I have this selfie stick na binili ko lang siya sa Shopee. So guys, maganda to actually. So ilalagay ko yung link kung gusto nyo for this one. I bought this from Shopee. So, and also I have a vitamins. So vitamins and this is important also. So I have vitamins here and paracetamol, bioflu, unless or for I have also cetirizine for allergy, and then I have a loperamide. So if you have a stomach ache, so you can use this one.